Today's plant is absolutely stunning in bloom, and it's a key part of my butterfly garden. This is a 90-second native, where I try to tell you everything I can about a native Australian plant in just 90 seconds. Let me know if you'd like an expanded version. I'm looking into going back to some of these, especially the Dianella, which lots of people expressed interest in. Otherwise, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you're interested in more things like this, and if you'd like to support the channel and support the promotion of including some of these amazing Australian natives in people's gardens. Anyway, it's time to get into it. This is Melicope rubra, and the time starts now. Okay, you might know this plant as Little Evodia or corkwood. Some people just call it the butterfly tree, and it's well named because when I was researching, I found at least 17 species of butterfly that either definitely or are suspected to use this plant as their host species. One of those butterflies is the iconic Ulysses butterfly, the beautiful flashing blue wings. And since I've planted this in my garden, I see Ulysses butterflies every single day. How lucky am I? Let me check this. Okay, so it's a rainforest tree, but it grows well in full sun or part shade. You can see this one's in part shade. It can grow more than 1 meter a year. So this one beside me has grown about 3.5 meters in just 3 years. After a short establishment period, it didn't need any help to go in. It has lots of indigenous uses. Most of those are for medicinal uses. There is some controversy over whether or not the fruits that come after the splendid flowers are edible. Most people just use them in potpourri and stuff because of that controversy. But in the spring flowering season, this thing is covered in pink blossoms, cauliflowery, so it's all over the trunk and all over the branches. And time's up. Got a little bit over. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you'd like to support the channel, hit that like button, comment, interact in some way, subscribe. I'd love your support. So grateful for those who are supporting the channel. And until I see you again, don't forget to get into it in your backyard.
Under the ground in the deep dark soil, a hidden world continues to coil. A secret place where magic flows, where no one sees yet nature knows. A network built without a sound, messages travel underground. No human hand could ever weave this ancient web we can't perceive.